I'm Mike from Hobbit, and in magazine 15 of Battle Games in Middle-earth, we're creating bridges to complement the rivers we made in magazine 14. First, start with some balsa wood. Measure your river to determine the length of the bridge. Cut 2 strips, each 1 cm wide, to serve as the main supports. Check to ensure the size fits your terrain. I'm making my bridge wide enough for 2 models to cross side by side. For the crossbeams, I want a slight overhang of 5mm on each side. With my bridge width, each crossbeam needs to be 6 cm long and 5mm wide. Mark and cut these from another piece of balsa wood. Place your crossbeams temporarily onto the supports to visualise spacing and proportion. I found my supports were a bit thick visually, so I trimmed them down to 5mm. Once you're happy, cut all your pieces and do a final dry fit to confirm everything looks good. Now let's add some texture. Balsa wood takes texture easily. Use a wire brush and gently drag it along the surface to simulate wood grain. For an aged, rough-hewn appearance, use a craft knife to chip and roughen the edges of each wooden piece. When assembling, any glue works, but I prefer superglue for speed. Glue the beams at each end first for structural stability. Then add the remaining beams. Adjust spacing and trim any unwanted overhangs. To paint our bridge, I used Agrax Earthshade. Balsa absorbs paint unevenly, creating a realistic aged wood effect. To bring out details, apply a light brown dry brush over the surface. For a smooth, worn look, finish with a satin varnish, giving the wood a subtle semi-gloss appearance. For added realism, I use Dirty Down Moss. Randomly apply this moss effect onto your bridge with a brush for a natural, weathered look. And that's your bridge complete, ready to add detail and playability to your battlefield. I also created a small decorative pier using the same method, adding legs for support in the water. Thanks for watching, special thanks to my patrons for your ongoing support. Until next time, happy modelling.